Before this video starts, if you enjoy my videos, don't forget to subscribe and turn on those post notifications so you do not miss a video. Maybe even like and comment on my videos. But with that being said, enjoy the video. Welcome back to another video. And, well, I was going to say, as you can tell by the title, well, I don't even know what I'm titling this video. Because, basically, we got new tires for the Safari. We had new ones in the rear, but we needed new ones in the front. So what we did, we rotated the tires. So now the ones that were in the front are now in the back. And now we're going to attempt to do burnouts in the Safari because we don't need those tires anymore. They're old. They're almost, well, I wouldn't say almost bald, but they're getting there. So I might as well just finish them off right and do some burnouts in them. I'm ready. I hope you're ready too. Fire right there, already and prepped. Alright, quick thing before we get to the burnouts. If you don't know already, that Safari, my Safari, has a new engine and a rebuilt transmission. It is way faster than what it was when I first got it. So I think it definitely has a better chance of doing the burnouts. But there's only one way to find out. Alright, we are ready. But also, yeah, I'm recording. Oh, you're doing it right here? Okay, Safari. Holy shit. Alright, also there's like a detective or undercover cop right in the parking lot right here. Look at right there. That gray car right there in the top right. Hopefully he doesn't make a big deal out of it. We'll hope not. If he does, then the title will most likely have gone wrong. But we'll see. That was awesome though. The Safari did that with these. Damn. That was awesome. Alright, Safari. Alright, Safari. Here we go. Here we go. Yeah, I'm really hoping he doesn't say anything. He's turned around a couple times. Huh? Oh. Well, yeah. I know what you mean. Oh. He turned around. Oh, look at it. Well, no, we haven't put them on yet. Those are the old tires, but there's a detective right there. Or a cop. Right here in the gray car. Alright. That's fine.
Why were you just driving the car during your...
No, yeah. He turned around a couple times, but... It's all good. Yeah. That was awesome. But now, we gotta put the new tires in. We couldn't really do it as much as we wanted to because of the cop, and they get mad for no reason. But, anyway... Yeah, we gotta put the new tires on, so... You'll see that montage right now. Alright, got the new tires on. Looking good. Obviously that blue on the lettering is going to come off. But now we got the big meaty tires back on the back. That was awesome. I think that's probably the conclusion of today's video. I hope you enjoyed. I really enjoyed doing it, filming it. I really enjoyed filming it, actually executing it. I enjoyed making this video. This was a fun video. I really hope you enjoyed. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. I am really trying to grow a lot this year. But with that being said, I will see you in the next one.